Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start in Settings because this is where restrictions live. Open Settings and tap Screen Time. If you don't have a passcode, create one now. This prevents changes later. Once done, choose Content and Privacy Restrictions and toggle it on. This enables control over purchases and app installs. Make sure to set a screen time passcode different from your lock code, because otherwise anyone with the phone can undo your settings. Now you're ready to configure the App Store limits. Now you'll lock the App Store behavior itself. In Content and Privacy, tap iTunes and App Store purchases. Set installing apps to don't allow so new apps can't be added. Also set deleting apps to don't allow if you want to prevent removals. Next, require a password for purchases by selecting Always Require. This blocks paid downloads and in-app purchases. Make sure to confirm changes. If you plan to allow certain apps later, you'll return here rather than removing the passcode. Finish by tightening content rules so the App Store shows only appropriate apps. In Content Restrictions, tap Apps and choose the maximum age rating you permit. This hides apps above that rating. Turn off in-app purchases to block add-ons, and verify Require Password remains active for purchases. Once configured, test by attempting to install an app. You should be blocked or prompted for the screen time passcode. If locks fail, check you're signed into the correct Apple ID, and that screen time is enabled system-wide.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.